Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I will be creating a burlap sign to put inside this frame. This frame I typically have in my entryway with this print inside throughout the year, and then over Christmas time or Halloween I often swap out what's inside it to suit the holiday. I got the idea for this off I'm pretty sure it was a YouTube video, or it may have been a picture on Pinterest. If I can find a link to the original, I will link it down below. But yeah, we're basically going to be creating a burlap sign just using a black Sharpie, and that is it. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to use the backing board or the backing sheet of the frame to trim the burlap to size. So what I've done is I've just printed off some words off the internet to spell out "It's the most wonderful time of the year," and I'm just setting these out onto the frame to get an idea of how I want it to look. And I'm just going to pin them on just so they don't move when we're copying the letters. Now, originally I was going to use some carbon paper and try to basically trace over the letters in hope that it would transfer from the carbon paper onto the burlap, but I found that it just wasn't working for me. The burlap was just a little bit too rough and it wasn't really like transferring over. So all I really did is just eyeballed it. I kept the word where it was in place and would just lift it up, get an idea of where the lettering went, and just freehanded it basically. So now that all the hard part is done with, all the outlining, now the colouring in fun part starts. So we're just going to use a thicker Sharpie or like a black texter, and I'm just going to colour them all in now. And I'm just using the word there just to keep it fresh in my mind of how exactly it should look. So now that the words are done, we're going to add some grain sack stripes down the side and along the bottom. So to create my stripes, I'm just using some masking tape that I can then just colour in between the lines. So I'm pretty much going with a thicker line in the middle and then two thinner lines on each side of that thick line. For And that is literally it, guys. The sign is done, back in its frame and ready to go in my entryway. So I'll just give you a little sneak peek of what it's looking like in my entryway so far. This area is yet to be decorated, but here is the sign up in its spot. Really happy with the way this has turned out. It could probably do with a bit of an iron to get some of those creases out, but I'm really loving it actually. And the little sign next to it was just I think it was like a little Christmas sack. Yeah, really happy, super, super easy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.